We are live in 360 degrees, people. Imagine being in a Banana Island penthouse while sipping coffee in Canada. I know it sounds ridiculous, but it's really not that far-fetched. With Grayscale's Live 360 remote presence technology, distance simply disappears. Luxury real estate buyers inspect homes in real time. No flights, no delays, just keys handed in faster. Oil rigs, factory lines, even disaster zones. You don't have to step in any of those areas now. You can just be there without being there. Front row seats to weddings, concerts. You're missing your daughter's recital. You're trying to buy a house. You don't have to fly all the way across the world just to do that. You can put yourself in that room by simply reaching us and letting us know, hey, I'm trying to be in this place at this time. Can you be there for me? And I'll be like, sure. Just let me know. Send me the address. I got Google Maps. I'll put you right there like you want to be. All I do is have to send you a link. If I send you a link, you're there right like that. And if you want to go even one step further, get yourself a VR headset, and you're more immersed in the experience. You can touch all these cabinets you're seeing right here. It's a beautiful thing, people, and it's right here and available for you. Your decision making shouldn't be stressful. When you're trying to make a decision but you're not sure because you're not really there, you're just, there's something that's just not complete. This is what's missing. I like to tell people, this isn't technology. It is teleportation for business and social life. So get your butt out that chair. No, just sit back down. You don't have to go anywhere. And we'll take good care of you. Contact details at the end of this video. You can reach on WhatsApp, email, and you can check us out on the website as well. Grayscale.